I'm a passionate baker and crafter, so it's easy for me to say that I do spend a considerable amount of time at my favorite store, which is Michael's Craft Store, and all the different dollar stores within my area. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make a beautiful fall wreath using this branchy wreath from Michael's and all of the beautiful fall florals from the dollar store. Let's start crafting. All of the tools that you will need to make this wreath are going to be in my blog post. It's really important for me to write a blog post about making this wreath because I really want to be honest and clear about what it actually costs to make a wreath, and I want you guys to have a better understanding of the pros and cons to making or buying a wreath. Is it more affordable to make a wreath, to buy it at your grocery store, or to buy a little bit more of an expensive wreath from Michael's Craft Store or a more expensive home decorating store? As much as I would love to use the beautiful silk flowers from Michael's, no one's going to watch a YouTube video on how to make a $50 or $75 wreath. So I'm really happy that, the local dollar stores do sell really pretty silk flowers. And I'm just so excited about how it's going to turn out. I just know it's going to turn out good. I've done a wreath using dollar store flowers and it turned out so pretty. So let's start crafting. My glue stick is warming up, and if you notice, all of these flowers have really long stems, so I'm going to cut them to about 10 centimeters in length. I want it to be long enough to pierce them in between all of these little branches. So that's what I'm going to do right now, and we're going to keep all of these greenery, like all of this these leaves. We're going to use it on our wreath as well. So I'm just going to start prepping my flowers. I've gone ahead and I've organized all of my flowers and my greenery separate. I want this wreath to be able to be used year after year, so I really want to make sure to reinforce all of my flowers. So I'm going to grab every single flower and I'm going to make sure that I just want to test it to see if the stem comes off easily, and this one is actually quite strong, so that one's fine. But of course you will get flowers that are really really easy to come off. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add a little bit of glue right in the tip there, and then I'm going to glue it back onto the flower. And I'm going to do this for all of my flowers. There is no right or wrong way to decorate a wreath. The most important thing is to have fun. When choosing my flowers, I wanted to make sure that I had all three colors, yellow, orange, and red. And I wanted to make sure that I had big yellow ones, small yellow ones, big red ones, small red ones, big orange ones, and small orange ones. So I'm going to just place my flowers just on top here without gluing them. And so I have 3 sunflowers, so I'm going to evenly distribute these 3 sunflowers. And then I'm going to continue distributing them evenly. If I only bought 1 big orange flower, that means I'm going to put one big orange here, and then it doesn't matter that this one's not going to be big on this side, but as long as you have a little bit of orange here and a little bit of orange here is fine. So it doesn't matter if this one's big and that one's small there, as long as you see, you visually see orange on this side, orange on this side, and orange on that side. Once I'm done placing my flowers the way I want them, I'm going to take a picture of my wreath, and then I'm going to, put the flowers all the way back here, and then I'm going to start gluing the flowers individually exactly where I had placed them originally. So let's start decorating. I really enjoyed making this wreath for you guys. Wreaths are one of my favorite things to do, and I'm so excited to see how it's going to look on my family's dessert table. If you enjoyed my video, give my video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell notification so you get notified every single time I post another video. And leave a comment in the comment section and give me some ideas of what you would like to see on my channel. Until next time, guys, happy baking and crafting. Bye.